The last question of the day. So last question of the day is how do you factor x cubed minus 27? So we're going to use the sum of cubes to find the factor for this, to factor this. So the sum of cubes basically reads is a rule of how to factor polynomials of form x cubed minus y cubed, or plus or minus, okay? So the sum of cubes helps us to factor this into its appropriate factors. And there's two different rules. So when you have x cubed plus y cubed, this can be factored to x plus y times x squared minus x times y plus y squared. Okay, so that's for x cubed plus y cubed. The second, I guess, rule is when you have x cubed minus y cubed. Right? If you have x cubed minus y cubed, then you can factor it like this: x minus y times x squared plus x times y plus y squared. Okay. So so the x and y can be numbers, it can be variables, but that's how you factor it. Okay. So the first thing that we need to do when we look at our factor here is that we notice that there's a power of a cube here, right? So the second criteria is we need to know if the second term here can also be written as a power of cubes. And in fact, it can. So x cubed minus 27 can be written as x cubed minus 3 cubed. Okay, so now that we have this and we can clearly see that we can use the sum of cubes to factor this, we use our second rule here and we can write it out as x minus 3 times x squared plus 3x plus 9. Okay, so that's how you use the sum of cubes to factor any cubic polynomials. But that's pretty much it. Okay. So that's how you factor cubic roots, not cubic roots, cubic polynomials, I guess you can say. And the junior tutor got it correct. So this solution is correct. Good. Cool. All right. So that wraps up today's lesson. I covered 10 questions surrounding algebra functions and compositional functions. If you have any other issues or any other problems with your homework, tests, or assignments, please submit them to OneClass and we'll get to them as soon as possible. And I hope you guys learned something today. Other than that, I wish you guys a good afternoon and I'll see you guys